fair weather and people crossing the Bay Bridge towards the Eastern Shore, there is renewed interest in the homes on the shore. It's Friday, June 14th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty. This is the Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Many Eastern Shore counties are seeing more moderate and steady buyer activity now that the weather has warmed up and the interest in the affordability, easy living, and local attractions are up. Homes listed for sale are at 1,595 this past week, with another 109 expected to come to the market. Both figures are down this week. 223 homes went under contract at 22 days before contract this report. 114 sold over the past week at 99.7% list to sold ratio and in 12 days. Homes for rent are down again this week to 66 at a median lease rate of $2,150 per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, June 14th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see you next week. Take care.